do we have here today? A kitchen timer better work good. The boss man sent this to me. The boss man sent this to me for some sort of office work thing or whatever. But apparently it's not for office work. And it's faulty. Sent it to me, it doesn't even work. It's stupid. It's stupid. Stupid. It doesn't work. What is wrong with this? What is wrong with this? Stupid. What is wrong with this? What's wrong? Something's wrong. I don't know what though. Something's wrong. Something's wrong with this thing. Something's wrong. Something's wrong. Something's wrong. Trying to stop the camera. It went far away. And what's this? From last time. Stupid alarm clock. All these are pieces of junk. And what's this? It's a motherboard thing. Doesn't know what to do with this. Don't know what to do. All these are pieces of junk. Wait, there's some left. The actual turn part. Okay, it's gone. And what's this? There's nothing lives. Wait. The LCD from the alarm clock. Gotta beat it up until it works. It doesn't ever work. Wait, what's this? What's this? Sticking. No. Doesn't work. Don't know why. What's this? Screen protector part. The alarm clock. Don't need that. So much pieces of junk here. Piling up. So many pieces of junk. Never work. The speaker. Let's destroy that. Can't leave this out here. Stupid. Doesn't work. This chair here has been through so much stuff. Beat it up. It better work this time. Okay. Can't let anything live. Fortunately. Like, what's this? What? This thing inside. Right. Vintage item from a lamp. Throw it over there. Can't let this live either. Fine, just go over there. I can destroy stuff with that. So don't need to get rid of that. So let anything live. Part of the Nerf gun survived. And this battery right here that I need to get rid of. But it started smelling weird because I beat it up. But what else is back here? What else is back here? What? This is back here too. And I haven't even smashed this. It's not even broken yet. Let's smash it to bits and pieces. It flew over here. And this place is completely trashed. Stupid thing. Okay, can't smash that. Let me. Even after like a couple weeks of it staying out here. Okay, we're gonna get off this table. Too much stuff that lived. And all the stuff I destroyed. Anything else back here? No, just the cord for that controller I destroyed not too long ago, which is like a couple days ago. And so much other stuff back here. I just hit it a couple times. So, it's a piece of junk still. And a piece of motherboard out here. Probably from one of the calculators or something. I don't know what this is from. And a piece from an empty case right here. And a piece from a different case. Wow. Okay. So much pieces of stuff here that I haven't even destroyed yet. Still survived. What? Piece from one of the scientific calculators. Not allowed here. I'm gonna get smashed up. What's this? Oh, it's that boy toy. So much treasures back here. So many treasures. Wow, so many treasures. So many treasures here. What's this? It's wet. Ugh. 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 Destroy it anyway. Can't let anything live. What a thing. Sesame Street CD thing. Destroy it all. No matter what happens, I'm gonna destroy it. Okay. Everything went smashed up. So like and subscribe. Share it with your friends.